after setting collision complexity to use complex collision as simple when I turn on simulate physics or static mesh and get the error physics doesn't work. So okay, yeah. So I think it is similar to this one that I've shown. Also enable mask to it. Okay, the mask is unticked. Let me just recheck what happens if mask is unticked. So suppose this only I take. These are all enabled, and I mean there is a mask, but we can override it. Suppose I uncheck it, what will happen? So yeah, there is a mask, but that is for overriding. Okay, that's fine. So there's this cube, and it has a simple collision. Okay, sphere collision it has. Let me share with the audio, right? So I can explain what happened before. So there are two static meshes, and it has simple collisions applied to it, and everything is working fine right now. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, so it is because that simple has complex. Let us see what else is there. Yeah, it will not work. So in this use complex collision as simple. So it says that create only complex shapes per poly. Use complex shapes for all scene queries and collision test. Can be used in simulation for static shapes only. Okay. It can be collided against but not moved through forces or velocity. So it is mostly used for static shapes, not for dynamic. That's why there is no physics of it gives a warning because it is just for static shapes. Okay, so that's the only reason it is just made like that. Okay, and this complex collision as simple, it is only used in the architectural things. So suppose you may, the other day I seen a person asking a doubt. The person was not able to enter the maze because the collision was complex. So what we did is use complex collision as simple. So we made the collision as simple so that the person was able to enter that maze. So that's what you can do, but you cannot simulate using this complex collision as simple. Okay, because it is made for static shapes only. It is not made for dynamic or movable shapes. So, so for that, so for staircases, right, you can use this auto convex collision, and it will automatically, add collision for the staircase. But either way, you would not need a staircase to simulate physics, right? So yeah. So the collision, it doesn't mean that the collision not perfect. There are different use cases for all these collisions, right? This is will be used for sphere only, will be used for capsule only, will be used for box only, right? And these are all simplified collision. These are already simplified, okay, right? And you can use a convex collision, auto convex collision, okay, that you can use for staircases. And for adding complex collision as simple, if you use this, then the simulate physics will not work because it is just for static meshes. Okay, so I hope you have understood about that doubt.